Hi guys, I just want to talk you through the research tool that we've been building here at Versori. So often with integrations, the scoping phase can be quite time consuming. So with this research tool, we're hoping that that will expedite that process. So I've asked the research tool to get fulfilled orders from Shopify and create invoices in Xero. So we can see here that it goes off to the internet, searches for relevant API documentation, scraping necessary URLs. On the completion of that, it then generates finding documents, which the AI then subsequently uses as its grounding knowledge for when building the integration. We can then follow up with questions that the AI might need clarification on, or if it's missing any technical information. I'll just go ahead and answer some of these with some dummy text. We can then ask the AI to generate workflows based on our initial prompts. We can see here that it's generated 5 workflows that it seems that we might need. So I'll go ahead and look at this first, syncing fulfilled orders to Xero invoices workflow. We can see here the details and the prompt that it's generated. So I'll go ahead and build this workflow and it will go ahead and build the integration.